morning, children. Today I am going to take a letter to a friend. So this is the creativity. You have to be careful. You have to learn carefully how to write the letter. So in 6th class you learn the leave letter to the class teacher. In 7th also you learn how to write the letters to your friends, how you get the answer, how you reply. Okay, here also I am going to teach. I wrote a letter. Here when you are writing a letter, here from address, where you are living, the name of the street name first. For example, Bosubomma, comma, Nellore, comma. Today I am going to write a letter. So today's date you have to mention. Time 8:20. See the from address, from whom we are writing letter to your friend. So that is the from address you have to remember. Dear, dear. Here start from the margin. Dear Suresh. So here another person is writing a letter to Suresh. So dear Suresh, this is the who is writing that boy's address. Dear Suresh. So be careful what is the matter. If you have a textbook, you open it and page at 15. Those who are not having the textbooks, you listen carefully. What are the points are there, how to write a letter. Okay. Dear Suresh. This is Ramesh. Who is writing a letter, ma? Ramesh. Ramesh is writing a letter to Suresh. So what he is writing? I apologize for not meeting you during your visit to Hyderabad last week. Unfortunately, I had a meeting in my office. I remember how we enjoyed our childhood days in Manikonda village. That is the name of the village, Manikonda. Manikonda is the name of the village. That means Suresh and Naresh were the childhood friends. So one day Ramesh went to Hyderabad. Suresh didn't meet the here. So whenever they are thinking about the past days, here what is the matter you go through. I remember how we enjoyed our childhood days in Manikonda village. That's the name of the village. Every day, how he was remembering the past days. Every day, we played together in our garden. Our family was very big one. How many members are there? Nearly 12 members in our family. I remember how we enjoyed in the moonlight. That means in the moonlight night times also how they enjoyed. He remember. Our grandma used to give biscuits and fruits to us. Our grandpa used to tell us fairy tales. Fairy tales means small stories. Tales means stories. My grandpa used to tell the stories about the princess. What the stories were? About the princess, warriors and the village boy. These are the memorable things when they were in the children. When they were in children, the boy saying, I didn't meet you. Please, sorry. I remembered all the things. Why he didn't meet, he was giving the explanation in the second part. Now, I am working at Microsoft, a software company, Hyderabad. He was an software engineer. As a computer programmer, I am married and we have a child. We have a small child also. My wife works at Dell's company, Hyderabad, as a system analyst. So both were working in the computer. Both were employed. Both will go out. So we have no time to meet you. Then, you know, city life is quite busy. Already we learned. Okay, my in 7th class, country mouse and then town mouse, what are the differences between the country and then village. So here also, a friend saying, city life was so busy, we have no time to sit together and talk. We have no time. We start in the morning, leave our child at the baby care center, and come back in the evening with a faded faces. We have one child, I told you, we are leaving the girl in the center, in the care center, baby center. In the morning we are leaving, again in the evening we are coming and taking the baby with a faded faces. Faded faces means very tiresome faces, very tired. In our faces there is no happy. Like that, he was giving the explanation to friend. Then we work with the computer. We are working with the computer. We didn't find the time to sit together. We are working in the computer. Think like computer and leave the computers. We have forgotten our family. Totally we forgotten what we are eating, what we are cooking, what we are doing. We are not remembering. Our life was so busy. Like the friend was giving the explanation. Why he was giving the explanation? When his friend was in the Delhi, in Hyderabad, he didn't go. He didn't meet the friend. That's what. Sorry. Like that, he was giving the explanation. And third one, I remember how we played Jilla Donda in village game. Jilla, something with a stick they were playing. And see the kabaddi also. We went for swimming in our local tank every Sunday. We are going to the swimming in the every Sunday we used to go for swimming. No, I remember. Here we live in an apartment. We are living in the apartment. No independent houses. We have to live in the apartments only, where there is no room to play. Our flat is our world. Our flat is our world. Only 4 walls. This is our world. Just like a well for a frog. That is the proverb. Well for a frog. That is the proverb. So whenever we go in the morning, afterwards, evening we are coming, again no need to go out. Just like a well, how the frog was living in the well, like that. We are also living in the room like that. He was feeling so bad. Then how happy we were in our school. In school days also, he was the remember. First one, how they played, remembered. And second one, what is the life of the city. And third one, and school days also was a remembering. We used to sit in the same row, did all the work together and took part in the event. They are working same together, they are sitting together. Then whatever event, they are going to participate. So how nicely, these two are very good friends, I think, no? So that is the friendship. Then I remember how Padmanabhaya sir, our class teacher, appreciated us. Headmaster HM also appreciated the Suresh and Ramesh. How nice friendship. Then appreciated her when we got the first prize in district science fair. District science fair. Nowadays every January 26 we have the science fair. That is the science events. No? So are you participating? We are giving so many reasons. Ma'am, I go there, sir, I'm not feeling well. So some more reasons you are giving. Here, these two boys, for every event, they are going to participate and getting the prizes. First prize for all the events. Then I remember how we went on a picnic to Coil Sagar. There went boating. When we went to the dam, we went for the boating also. Our tour to Sri Shailam was memorable. They are given full description. Memorable means we never forget. So when they went to the Sri Shailam, that it was the one memorable tour, like that he was saying. And then still I remember the green hills full of trees that almost touch the sky. I remember the roaring of the Krishna river. Roaring means just like a lion, giving the sound. Have you seen the Krishna river, ma? Everybody, I think, no? So I enjoyed the roaring of the Krishna river. There is nothing here. So how we enjoyed in our childhood, in the school time, in the playing time, for all the event, how we enjoyed. But here, nothing is here. I'm fed up to live in the city. Like that, he was expressing. Then They I remember the happy moments when our uncle visited us. He bought toys and fruit for us. Our aunt brought me a new dress for Dasara. How we enjoyed Deepavali. Still, I hear the sound of crackers. Maybe in the cities they can, but these two people not having that type of the enjoyment. So they were remember. He was remembering the how we celebrated the Deepavali, Dasara, and all the festivals. Also, we enjoyed very well. No, here nothing was here. No Dasara, no Deepavali, nothing. We fed up, we are feeling very tired. Only Sunday. The Sunday also we are going on sleeping. Why? Because from Monday to Friday we are so busy like that. He was giving the explanation. I can see the rockets flying into the sky, making the night full of light. Where are those days? Those days we didn't get. Past is past. Really, childhood days only, very nice, very happy. But these are not happy days. My child does not know uncle or aunt. For him, uncle and aunt neighbor are the same. Sometimes I think of our childhood days, I think of grandparents, uncles, brothers, sisters. We missed them. No uncle, no aunt, no grandma, no amma, no nana, nothing, no sister. No one I didn't remember. This is the city life. We miss them. We miss the joy of the family. We miss the joy. We miss the friendship also. Forgotten everything. Past is the past. Past is only good. We miss the company. Company means friendship, not Amazon company and software companies. Company means friendship. Company. Company means friends. We miss the friends. We miss the joyful days. Then sister, we miss them. We miss the joy of our family. We miss their company. We missing many things in this busy life. We missing many things in this busy life. Like that, he was expressing his feelings. Suresh, I don't know where those gardens have gone. While when we were playing that garden, no gardens are there. Suresh, really, how miserable is this? No, in the past days only our villages also so fine. When we were in the school, so fine days, so enjoyable days. Suresh, where they gone? Those fairy tales, those story warriors, princess, my grandpa used to tell the stories. No, they were the we missed all. Then we have lost our real life in this unreal world. Unreal. This is not the real life. Unreal. There was no happy. Nowadays we are enjoying with only computer. Wherever you go, in the houses also, daddy is on cell phone, mommy is cell phone, children are simply doing like this. They never talk to anyone. That is the dirty life. But in our past days, in our childhood days, we enjoyed it. We don't have any cell phone, no computers, no laptop, nothing. So we participated in all the games. We are getting the prizes. But nowadays, no prize, no reward, no nothing is there. All the people minds are busy with the cell phone. Then we have lost our real life in this unreal world. Anyhow, I am happy that I have found time to write to you. At least I didn't see your face. I remember all our childhood days, but at least I had a time to write a letter. What are feelings in me? I wrote everything in the paper like the boy saying, please come on me, please come on me. Let's remember our childhood days of joy. He was loving friend. While you're writing the letter, you was don't keep the first comma here. Okay? That is the wrong. You lose the marks. You was loving friend. Otherwise, you are lovingly Ramesh. So this letter written by the Ramesh to Suresh. So what are the things he explained in the letter? But there is no cell phone. That's what he written a letter to friend. So this is the letter. Or we have to write the from letter, from letter, that is the Suresh letter. Then dear Suresh, so Suresh is the friend of the Ramesh. So everything, what are the things they enjoyed, we given the answer. Then yours lovingly. So this letter written by the Ramesh. Ramesh didn't see the Suresh when he is in the Hyderabad. Okay, ma, have you understood this letter? How to write a letter? So while you are writing the, while you are giving the reply, what you write now, you have to write your address here. Then dear Ramesh, Suresh is writing to giving the reply to Ramesh. So what are the things he explained? You have to give the answer. That is the reply letter. But nowadays we are not writing the letters, no. That's what everyone forgotten how to write the letter. But at least you remember how to write a letter. Okay, ma? Have you understood? Once again, you go through the lesson, you read the letter, how, what are the points are there, what are the important points, you underline it, you remember it, and think it, and write a, give a letter to reply to. Okay? Shall I give one letter? You write a letter in the paper and show to me in the WhatsApp. Okay? Write a letter. Inviting him or her to your birthday. Write a letter to your friend inviting him or her to your birthday. So you invite your friend. How to write a letter? Okay, ma? Okay? Bye.